Hi kids. So here we have a very interesting sum based on factorization, and it is in fact a very important sum as well. So to start with, let's go and square up root 2 to get 2. We already have x square plus 2, and for this we can bifurcate into two parts, means break up into two parts. So root 2, okay, and root 5, got it? So root 2 multiplied by root 5 will give me root 10. Since we have x and y, so let's make x sit here and y sit next to root 5. Got it? Next is 5 is to be converted into a square. Alright? The same we did to 2 as well. And y square. Got it? Now let's club them together. Means bring them together. Okay? And square. Here too we can do the same thing. Y square. Here we have 2 root 2x and 5y sign here. Got it? So does this remind you of some identity? Yes, you're absolutely right. It's a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b whole square. Okay? Since a plus b whole square can be resolved from here, so we do the same thing with the above expression. So we have a square here. So our a would be root 2x and our b would be root 5y. So what decides the sign to be placed here is plus 2ab. Okay, so we have plus 2 root 2x dot root 5y, which means plus, and this is my b square. So this one decides what sign to put over here. Okay, if there was a minus here, we would put a minus here, and this is to be squared. All right, so below we write, okay, 2x root 2x plus root 5y and root 2x plus root 5. Okay, all right, so this is the final answer, guys. I hope you have understood. Okay, so have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.